Introduction. Facebook is the biggest social network, and you can find lots of potential customers for your business with it. Using Facebook Live events is a great way to connect with your audience. Most businesses do not use Facebook Live because they don't appreciate the benefits of it, or they think that it is too complicated. By using the techniques in this training, you can get ahead of your competitors and use Facebook Live to your advantage. You will learn what you need to do and what you need to avoid here, so be sure to go through all and implement what you learn. We have worked hard to provide you with everything that you need to know to use the Facebook Live platform to boost your brand and drive more leads and sales. You will learn proven techniques to get the best results with Facebook Live. Engagement with your audience is essential, and this training will show you how to achieve that. Other businesses have tried using Facebook Live and failed. We do not want you to make the same mistakes that they did, so follow the steps in this training, and you will maximize your chances of success.